into 2.401. 7 into 7 into 7 into 0.343. Now once you get this 343, it should be easy for you to know that the cube root is 7. So point means 0.7. So 7 into 7 into 7 these, and 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.7. Okay. Now the cube root is what? Out of 3 only 1, out of 3 only 1. So 7 into 0.7. So that is equals to 4.9. Okay. So 4.9 means, is 4.9 a rational number? Yes. What is a rational number and irrational number? Rational means after point, if some number gets repeated. Here 4.9 means what? 4.9000000 up to infinity. This pattern goes repeating of zeros. Then it's a rational number. Right? You have studied it in I think so 7th. Yeah. So that's why it's true. Now B. Cube of an odd number may or may not be odd. Means what? Odd number means, let's say 3. Cube of 3 is 27. Cube of 5 is 125. Cube of 7 is 343. All are odd. So this is false, because cube of odd number will always be an odd number. Okay. So that's why statement B is false. Download Yoga Guru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. Mind it, they are useful for you throughout your life for all the competitive exams. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoga Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.